It is Keto Granny. I would like to welcome you in. If this is your first time here, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, share, like, and comment below. Hey, you guys, if this is your first time here, I want to welcome you in. Also, I'm here to give a quick update as to how everything is going. We have found a home here in Oklahoma. Now, the Lord really did bless us, and I'm going to tell you the story eventually of how it all happened. But for now, I'm going to just go ahead and share some of the foods that I have been eating and some of the meals. I've been trying to stay as close to ketovore and carnivore as I can. Sometimes I am not able to eat the meals like I want to because of my current situation. I won't be moving into our place until August the 3rd or August the 5th, somewhere around there. So for that time, we're staying with friends and really having a good time. I tell you what, it's really, really hot here. It has been hot. It's in the 3 digits, and it's supposed to be like that, something like for the next 2 to 3 weeks, the next 14 days. They said it's going to be the hottest week of the year. I can't believe we're going to be here for the hottest week of the year. But I'm very, very anxious so that we can go ahead and get started moving in. And then I can start back to being as productive as I was getting to be on the internet and doing my videos. But I want to say, keep supporting me. Keep sharing my videos. I am so glad that you are here. I am still on my journey. I'm still doing a good job. But just haven't had time to be making a lot of videos and everything. So hope that you all understand. Just as soon as I get situated, then I will start being ready. I'll start back with my cooking, my recipes, and keto and my carnivore, and just sharing those type of things with you. So just be a little patient with me. This is Keto Granny saying that you can reach your goals. Just stick and stay on them. Now, your scale is going to fluctuate because mine has really been fluctuating since I have been going through this ordeal for about the past almost 2 months. So my scale has been going up and down. And let me tell you, I have gained as much as 10 pounds at one time. I am back down now to where I just have a 4 to 5 pound weight gain. But it is very, very hard and very, very stressful. And it does affect your weight fluctuation when you're going through stress. So right now I am dealing with that, but I'm making the most of it, and I'm staying as close to my carnivore and my ketovore meals as I can. So I'm going to go ahead and share those with you right now. Okay, so I am cooking today. I'm making some New York strip steaks. These are some small steaks, but I did get these at the store for only $4.07. So I was very happy for that because I've never seen New York strip steaks for $4.07. So here they are. I'm letting them get very, very tender, and I am cooking these in butter. Very, very limited. But I'm going strictly on my carnivore today. And this is my meal. I have a little bit of seasoning on here, not very much. And I don't know, I do have some strawberries here. These are frozen. We had bought these. So I may have a couple of these to have with my meal today. I am not for sure, but I am going to be eating meat. Meat, and meat. This is my dinner today. I am having a New York strip steak along with some delicious butter sauce. This is the steak. I'm going to go ahead and cut this up and go ahead and start eating it. I'd like to take my steak and dip it in the butter sauce and just make sure it gets real covered with that butter sauce. I tell you, it is so, so, so good. So delicious. It just melts in your mouth. Goodness. Mm, mm. You guys, I love the carnivore diet. I love the lion diet. I love keto and I love keto diet. I have had some really good results on all of them. Some really, really good results. This meat is so, so delicious.
take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough.
Okay. So this morning I'm going to be making some sausage patties. I already have a roasted steak that I have cooked. And y'all, we have been running around so much from Airbnb. In fact, we've been in two Airbnbs and two different motels. We came here for a family reunion and we ended up staying for like the next 2 weeks. So this is breakfast this morning. I got some sausage ready, have a New York strip steak, and I'm going to make some eggs with it. So this is what we're going to be having for breakfast this morning. Make sure that you're eating some good meals. Even though we're on the road, I'm trying my best to stick to the carnivore diet on keto. So just out of curiosity, I tried this little experiment. Yeah, I'm talking about this. Oh, not you. It's not nowhere near coming around that way. Anyhow, this, it's not butter. It's a mixture of butter and margarine. But it does not melt. These are hot eggs. And I put it on here to see because, they say that this clogs your arteries. I didn't use it for cooking my eggs, but look at that. It does not melt, and it has been sitting there for at least 4 to 5 minutes. So I'm getting ready to remove this. Look at that. There's a little bit there. I'm going to have to take that off. But, wow.
Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah.
This is my next meal. And for this, I had an arm Swiss steak. And I added in a little bit more fat to this meal. I added in some avocado. I had an avocado.
I just can't stop thinking about you.
So, you all, this is a short grocery haul. And I went to the store, I picked up some steak. And this is a family pack arm Swiss steak. And as you can see, this pack of steak only cost me $3.54. I was so amazed at some of the prices of the meats that I have been buying here. I also picked up some butter because I do need this in order to cook in. You saw where I had tried earlier to use some of the margarine type of that margarine that they had in the refrigerator, but it just did not work out for me. And as you can see, The butter was only $2.99. So for $6 or $7, I was able to get steaks and butter to cook. So let's go ahead and get started with this meal.
Yeah, you're the reason